Hey, this is Dean from Autotech. I'm here with another post-repair inspection. This customer came in with a small amount of damage to his left front. After having a prior repair, he said that he was never going to go back to that shop because he just felt they didn't do a good job. After the repair was done, his alignment was so far off he had to take it to the dealer for an alignment. When he brought his vehicle in to us after we disassembled it, we started to look it over and we noticed a few things. One of the major things that we noticed is they actually reamed out the holes on the top of his shock tower to get his alignment to go into place. That is definitely not something anybody should ever have to do on today's modern vehicles. The radiator support is also, there's no welds on the back side over here. The welds down here are not spot welds like the factory calls for. Other than some minor hardware that's a little messed up and missing and things like that, which is kind of minor. The bumper reinforcement looks like that was never replaced. There's welds here that are completely gone. They didn't even replace the welds over here. Down the bottom, same thing. But really the big thing is they put this section up into here, and they sectioned actually up underneath of this shock tower on this side. And there's definitely no procedure that Honda calls for doing that. So the weird thing about this is when you looked at it from the outside, the car actually looked fine. So to the customer, you know, if he didn't notice he was having problems, he would probably still be driving this around. But the sad thing is this car is completely unsafe to drive, and he shouldn't be driving it. And it's really a buyer beware type of situation. People don't do their research properly. They could get an unsafe repair from a shop and not ever know that they're driving around a car that's not safe to drive, and they could have their family in it. This is a 2017 Honda Accord that most likely is going to be a total loss now. This is Dean at Autotech Collision Service. Check us out at YouTube and check us out at autotechcollision.com.